Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia G21, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So first off, we're gonna start off with actually setting it up, as that is probably more important. So let's pull down our notification panel and locate the hotspot toggle, which for me looks to be not added by default. So let's click right here on this pencil right here, and I can already see there's the hotspot. So once you locate yours, hold it. As you can see, the text right above it changes to drag here to remove, so we're gonna drag it over above, drop it, and now it's in the toggles that we can actually access. Let's go back, and now it is right here for me. So once you locate your hotspot, hold it. This will quickly take you to the settings where you want to select the Wi-Fi hotspot right here. And you can start off by tapping on the password. And as you can see, once you tap on it, you will realize that the password right there is just completely randomly generated garbage, hard to type in, hard to remember. So what I recommend doing is completely removing this one and setting up your own. Now, the password does need to have 8 characters in length. That can be letters or numbers, or both, obviously. I'm just using a simple one. There we go. And additionally, you can go over a couple additional options right here, which technically we only have like 3 of them. So we have the hotspot name, AP band, and turn off hotspot automatically. I do recommend keeping this on. It will ensure that the hotspot turns off when you're done using it, and you don't need to constantly remember to turn it off. And the reason why you do want to turn it off is hotspot does uses more battery on your device, and additionally it will use your mobile network, so it's not very recommended to like run it all the time. AP band, we have 2 choices, 2.4 or 5 gigahertz. If you don't know what this is, I recommend keeping it at 2.4. This will ensure that your hotspot will always work. And lastly, the hotspot name is just the name of the Wi-Fi that this hotspot will create. So once you went through the settings and customize them to your liking, you can turn it on quickly from here by tapping on this toggle, or you can also do it from here. Now it is running right now, so if I tap on it once again, it will be disabled now. But obviously you can turn it on from here as well. So there we go. That is how you can set up and use your hotspot. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.